Hey, Flurbird. Sanne here. And Flurbird over there, yes, you see it? Yay! We're together now! Forever! I want to pet you, my Flurbird birds. Oh, you're so adorable. Anyway, hi, and welcome to another Flurbird episode with me, Sanne. And yeah, I told you like in the last video, the one where I talked about the free stuff of the month for the month September, the month that we're in now. I would do a video on Friday, but Friday I was like really busy, and then Saturday is like crazy. So it's Sunday. I hope you're still happy. I hope you still love me. I still love you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to do the subscribe thingy. Really helpful. Okay, the subject of the video. Right, Game Jam. And if you're wondering what a Game Jam is, well, let me explain it to you really quick. So one person thinks of a theme and a date, like actually two dates, a start date and an end date. And you have to make, like, if you want to join, you have to make a game in 2 weeks. Because that was the length of the game jam that I was in. There are like longer game jams that last like a month, or there are shorter ones that last like 24 hours, which is insane. How can you make a game in 24 hours? Anyway, so I joined because first of all I like Matt Esplant, and secondly I wanted to make like a game in 2 weeks. I wanted to experience the game jam thing. So I did. And this is the game. And well, first I'm going to like walk through the game, and then I will show you like the parts that I used to make it and some of the programming I did, and it's going to be like really cool. Yay.
Hey, and welcome to the Unreal Museum of History. The year is 2510 and the automated card bots do not accept if you take anything. In case you accidentally take anything, just hit the 0 key on your keyboard, maybe twice, and they will decriminalize you. And you can proceed as normal. Oh, those silly robots. On the ground floor, at the right, we have a wonderful exhibition about the YouTubers from the early 21st century, with a small section of our most famous and most favorite YouTubers. On the left you will find the relaxation room, a small exhibition on the Dutch musician and painter Herman Brood, and a small collection of notable inventors from different areas. Way in the back you will find a small section of Asian science devices, really fun to look at. Please don't touch, they might break, and you'll cry. Upstairs is our long-lasting exhibition about the great painters of the past. Each painter has its own room, with a historic representation of the most common way of keeping and spreading information from the early 21st century. A Wikipedia article. We think it's adorable to see this ancient technique. Just imagine living without a direct AI plugin, letting you know everything whenever you want it. Enjoy, and if you're done, there's cake behind the exit door.
Cake behind an exit door? Really? Really? Oh, I wanna have the cake. Let me go and get some cake behind the exit door. Excuse me, Mr. Guard. I wanna get to the cake behind the exit door. How do I interact with this door? Oh. The cake is a lie? Like, oh, yeah. Cake is a lie. Damn. Anyway, yeah, well, this is my game, and like the thing about the games, let me walk like past like the big YouTubers. Very big YouTuber Danny. We have Panty Pants here. My friend Jeff from Dev Addict. Mr. Beast, of course. We cannot live without PewDiePie, and Dude Perfect, of course. Yes. Music is provided by Lo-Fi Girl. That's like the music that you hear playing in the background now. That's thank you very much, Lo-Fi Girl, for making your music available for YouTube and content creators and stuff like that. Kurzgesagt, I really love those. And if you know these furries, then Well, okay. Anyway, yeah, these three, Vsauce 1, Vsauce 2, and Vsauce 3, that's like, yeah, my all-time favorite YouTube channels, I think. Um, and here we have like the science communicators, and more science communicators. Diana, Matt, Parker, and Matt Esplant himself, the one who thought about having the game jam. And here we have like the people who are good at something. Like he is good at being bold, he is good at being bass, and he is good at chess, I guess. And over here we have like those aren't like YouTubers, but as like the introduction stated, it's the year 2510 or something. So in the future, the people will look back at us and they will think, oh, yeah, YouTube was a thing, and who are like the big people on YouTube? And those were like the guys who said stuff very atheistically. Okay, anyway, we got like a temporary exhibition because one of my children is actually a painter, and they wanted to give me some of their paintings, and I put them in a museum. Like really cool. I really like all of these. And if you guys want to play this game, it's the links is in the description. That's what I wanted to say. It's not perfect, it's not done, but it's at least it's something. So here we got the ancient Roman stuff. Yeah, I got that from like the Quixel Mega Scans. That's very nice to have, like Quixel Mega Scans. And yeah, I put up like these signs like the quantum teleport machine. This was one of the first working teleport machines capable of moving humans through space-time. Sweden, circa 2142. So, if you guys waiting for space-time teleportation devices, go to Sweden in 2142 and you'll be good. A house quantum computer. I was like, yeah, this is what a house quantum computer will look like. No, but it doesn't matter. I actually put like physics objects in the scene as well. These chairs have physics, really cool. And this is some kind of microscope, an electron microscope, I think. And then we have this human in this, how do you call it? Yeah. If you like don't want to watch the entire museum on my screen and you want to see it on your own screen, then just skip ahead. I'll put like a timestamp in one of the comments, so you can like click ahead if you don't want any spoilers. So Salvador Dali, very cool. And I'm not going to look at every room, but I really like Pablo Picasso. Because he's just weird, and who doesn't like weird paintings? And then over here we got Van Gogh, that's how you pronounce that, and Rembrandt van Rijn, that's how you pronounce that, if you were wondering. So that's basically it. And now the thing is, you can like take the paintings. So you can picked up Nachtwacht. Oh, there's a typo there. Picked up the Syndrix of blah blah blah. And as long as the guards don't see me, I can. Oh no, they see me! And now they're going to try to catch me. And oh no, don't catch me! Don't catch me! Let me get more. And every time you hear a hey you, that's when one of the guards is coming over to catch you. And oh, I outrun them. I'm so good at this game. Oh no, I'm in a corner. I'm going to steal this. Hutchins, Sam Harris. That's Sam Harris, right? Mitch and Greg, Neil deGrasse Tyson. I got them all collected. Are they still following me? Oh yeah, there are. Oh no. And luckily I can like outrun them. Oh, this is a funny little joke. Oh god, there are like a lot of guards following me now. But the joke I put here is like, this is Graham Bell. That's like, he invented the telephone, and that's that was Steve Jobs, and he invented the smartphone. Well, he didn't really, but his company did. And then the game will just restart, and I did not program in to like not play the entire sound file at the start again. So if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. This was like the fun part of the video. The next part will be the interesting part of the video, where I get to explain to you how I made the bots and how I made them walk around and how I created the level, all that good stuff. So if you like this video, don't forget to do the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, put a thumbs down. But tell me why in the comments, why you did the thumbs down thingy. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It really helps the channel. And I see you in the next one. This is Flurbert, out. Bye!